Welcome back to another brand new episode of Never Out of Fashion, and today I'm going to talk about Suzuki Fiero. And if you're new to this channel, if you haven't seen Never Out of Fashion or you don't know what is it, I'm going to put a card on the top. You can go check out that and know more about what's Never Out of Fashion. I'll see you guys right after this intro video. Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and this is a continuation of Never Out of Fashion, and this time is Suzuki Fiero. The king during the 2000s, when the shift happened from the 2-stroke to the 4-stroke. 1999 was the first when CBZ was launched by Hero Honda, and in 2000 Suzuki in collaboration with TVS came with this beautiful 4-stroke machine, Suzuki Fiero. I'm going to show you things that really made this bike different from the normal ones. Suzuki Fiero was the first bike which came with the integrated indicators both in the front and also at the back. This was the first time ever when the bike had integrated indicators, and the other best part about this bike was the way it looked. This is a very compact 150cc bike. Let me give you a little close look of the Odo, how the Odo looks like. So you have the standard speedometer, then you have the kilometer and the fuel gauge. That's it. Let's look at the buttons which are there. So you have on the left hand side the indicator, right and left. Then you have high beam and low beam switch. You have a headlight pass switch. This is the choke, and that's the horn. And to your right hand side you have the kill switch on and off, and then the headlight switch. Also, to talk in the initial production line, which was in the 2000 model, the rear suspension was painted black, and this is a 2002 model where they came with this grey paint, and also they had started painting the engine as well, which was only in the later 2002 models. So now let's talk about the spec of this bike. This is a powerful 147cc single cylinder 4-stroke mated with 4-speed gearbox. This delivers a max of 12 bhp at 7500 rpm and a peak torque of 10.5 Nm at 5500 rpm. That's about the power of this bike. This bike is owned by my friend John. He's the same person who had altered his TT Traveler, and I would put a link on the top if you haven't watched that video. This is a 2002 Fiero, and it is stock paint. He has not painted it till date. It is very well maintained. But because of usage and wear and tear, there's a bit of paint been chipped off here, a little bit of paint chipped off here, and some here. Otherwise, this bike is in super condition. So Fiero was one of the most famous among the 2-stroke guys who used to race, because this took the place of all the 2-stroke in the rallies when the 2-stroke stopped and the 4-stroke came in the picture. This made a very good bike for guys who used to rally and race. The reason is, this is a very compact and a small bike for a 150cc as against other bikes which were there in the market. So the other bike which was there during this time was a CBZ, Hero Honda CBZ, which was another 150cc bike at 5-speed gearbox. but this was much more desired. The reason is because the way it was designed, and one of the other reasons why people like this is because the way this handled. This used to handle extremely well, and it was compact size, and because of the handling, this made a very good race and a rally bike. So that was one of the very big advantage of this bike. And even today, when you are on the road, people would look at your bike and see, wow, what a bike was that during that days. The Suzuki Fiero ad was very interesting when it was aired in the television, which said only a Fiero can catch a Fiero. And there were 4 different colors for offering when it came into the market: black, silver, blue and red. These were the 4 different colors which was up there in the market to go and buy. This is one of those bikes which will never ever go out of fashion. The reason is the way it has been built, the way it performs, and at the end of the day, it costs you nothing to maintain this. I've been owning this for last 18 years, and the cost of maintaining this is not as much even today compared to any other bike. It's easy on pocket. If you're a moto enthusiast who maintains your bike, services it timely, it can go forever, and I believe my bike can go forever. I'd like to thank all these 3 gentlemen for helping me make this video. I'm at FSV Arena, and these are the people who have helped me do this video. So thank you very much. I would love to introduce these people. Sir, name ಹೆಸರೇನು sir? Rajan, Mahadev, Siddhaya. Thank you everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I did bringing this video to you. Until the next time, keep it rolling guys. Please don't drink and drive or ride. Ride safe, drive safe. I'll see you.